We're on the roof of the camper van now. We're going to replace the skylight. So this is the skylight. The only thing is the width of there to there is slightly smaller than the original. It should be about another half an inch all round, but there's still plenty for it to bed onto. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to scrape off the old mastic and then I'm going to re-mastic it and I'm going to seal this in. Okay, so I'll get back to you now in a few minutes. Can you see me scraping off the mastic? Okay, Sylv.
Oh, what?
Can you just hold it ready? Okay, just hold it in that position. Because I'm going to go up on the roof now.
Okay.
Don't let go, Sylv. Just keep it there.
Okay.
And then when I get up on the roof, then I'll screw down from the top. Okay, love?
Okay. Have I got to hold it like this really tight?
Yes. Don't let it move. Okay.
Okay. Hurry up then. Get up on the roof quick.
So there's the new one installed. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws on each side. But when I had to drill holes through, and then Sylv had to hold underneath. She had to hold a piece of timber up to the roof. But we got it done. Sylv, give us a thumbs up. Well done, Sylv. Thank you. Okay, Sylv. So we've got the light in now. There was about 28 screws around the outside, so we made this wooden frame, as you can see here, beforehand. And then we got up on the roof, and Sylvia came underneath and held a piece of timber while I went up on top and screwed it down from the top. Put a lovely bead of, the sealant all around, the flexible sealant, and really made sure it was bedded in. And then drilled little pilot holes into the timber, and then just screwed down. So they're not bad really for the price, these lights. And they've also got a little, I don't know if you can see there, it's got a little built-in fan, see? Oh. So, and it's got the insect mesh. And the only thing to do now is when I reinstate the padding up on the insulation up on the ceiling, the only thing to do, this panel here, the trim, this bit of trim is going to go over the top like that, you see, and it's going to fit inside like so, and it's going to fit up nice and tight, and then the padding will be screwed underneath that, see, and that will just finish the job off. So not bad, quite pleased with that. And I know that's really well sealed now, it's not going to leak. So one skylight down, the next one to go.